ashamed of taking on other characters' identities.
And who are you to judge?
I'm Princess Peach, actually.
Yeah, you're as much Princess Peach as I am Mario. You're not fooling me.
Huh? Oh, right. I'm not myself until I have my morning cup of coffee.
Are you sure about that?
Watch me.
But this cup is huge!
I know.
Holy cannoli, but how will this help?
You'll see. Now that's more like it. I had to hide in the forest after my castle was destroyed by Bowser's minions. Could you please help me? Please?
Come to the right place, Your Highness. We'll have your house in no time. Excuse me for a moment. Hey, Sue! Sue! Do we have the materials for the prince's new house?
Stop yelling, I can hear you.
Whoops, yeah, sorry. Let's go then!
Alright, I guess here we have everything we need. First, we'll build the foundation and the walls. We've decided to get Princess Peach-inspired textures.
As an experienced plumber, would you stop for a second? Don't you think we need to lay the pipes first?
We don't need them.
Huh? Really?
Yep. But we could really use a carpenter's opinion.
Did someone call me? I think a wide window is a must.
That's a great idea, Sammy. Just what we need.
No, Sammy, it's a me, Mario, a plumber, a carpenter, a repairman, a crafter of the highest caliber.
Hey, you're not Mario. Give me that.
Catch me if you can.
Alright, fellas. For this windowsill, we need a big fluffy cover. Oh, so soft. I want to decorate it a bit too. We'll attach it right here. And the window frame goes next. We'll definitely need lots of soft pillows to make a perfect lounge.
I finally got away from that beast.
Can't you just stop impersonating Mario?
Betrayal! I thought better of you, Susan! Whoa! Leave me alone! No!
I guess I can't expect any help today as well. Let's see, what's next on the list? Aha! It's a cloud arch curtain. It'll kind of float right above the window.
I think this arch fits in perfectly. For my hairstyle, too. What do you think?
You're right. And this rug is so you can rest your sore legs. Oh, it turns out so cozy. I just want to make myself a cup of cocoa and wrap myself up in a blanket.
Hey, Sue! Sue! Is she gone? Stop daydreaming already! We're crafting here, actually!
Don't say, Sam. So what's next?
The most important thing in any house! A place for your goodies, of course! Ouch!
Are you okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I just need a second. I'll be right back.
This is so not a Mario move.
Okay, that's it.
Take off your mustache.
No, you take off your...
Guys,
whatever.
easy.
Ah, it's my
What's
mustache.
wrong with you today?
Try sleeping in a sleeping bag.
Are you even a real princess?
Okay, Peach, you'll be happy with this cozy bed. I heard that princesses are very sensitive sleepers and can be woken up by anything, even a small pea under the mattress. There you go. Uh-huh.
How is that sound? It's payback time, Peach. You'll get your small pea a present for me.
Wow, it's so pretty. This bed is so cool.
That'll teach ya! No one takes away my mustache! Oh, my precious.
Sammy, you're misbehaving.
She started it. Anyway, stay focused, Sue. Chop chop, we've got a lot of work to do.
I should stay focused?
Well, not me, certainly. You're working way too slowly today, you know?
You know what? Good luck finishing this house. I'm out of here. I was thinking about a vacation. Sue did this, Sue did that.
Oh, what are you watching?
Oh, just this.
Huh?
That was a good one, right?
Okay, fine. You two are no help anyway. I have no problem crafting by myself. I should go here. I'll show them constructors. As if. I'm perfectly fine here on my own. I'm totally, absolutely, unbelievably fine. Oh, I hope no one saw that. Oh, heartless. Here I am in pain, and they're just laughing. Easy peasy. Check this. Ow. Ugh.
Sammy, are you alright?
I did it. I did it, Sue. I built that house all by myself. It's done now. You can look.
Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, such a mess.
What? But how? I don't get it. Was this all a dream? No! Sue, please come back. I can't do this project alone. I'm begging you, help me.
Okay, but on one condition. Make peace with Peach. She's great once you get to know her.
Sid, did you call me? Ugh, hi, Sam.
What? Never. Did you hear what you said about my mustache?
Either that or I'm going on vacation till the end of this year.
All right, you have your deal.
Excellent. Here we'll have a guest bedroom. That is why we need to make a big soft couch to make the guests feel comfortable.
Behold, the king is in the house.
Pun intended.
Oh, there you are.
Sam!
Listen, if we make peace, we can have your house ready much sooner.
Fine, but you're still not getting this back.
You're so stubborn.
Now there's definitely enough room for everyone. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
Oh, it's such a beautiful house, but I'm gonna miss my old castle so much.
Oh, you poor thing. I promise this house will make you feel like home.
Well, of course. I look at it and I feel like, hold on. Like it's my home too. Wow. No worries. I'm fine.
See? The work goes faster when you help me.
What a view. A truly royal view.
Agreed! What else do we have to do?
The shelves in the shape of castle towers to give you a place to store all your handbags and shoes. Here we go.
Here are the golden flags for the tower's tops. This house will be seen from space.
Here's everything I own. Wow! Oh, I'm so clumsy.
Don't worry, Peach. I'll find a place for every one of your belongings.
Awesome! Can I add something? Wow, best castle ever!
Holy cannoli. There's so many mushrooms. Can you teach me how you do that? Pretty please.
I'll give you a true Mario push.
No, I got it. I'm not Mario. Ah! It's coming after me. Hide me, Susie.
Oh, this is an awesome decor idea. It'll look so good right here.
Silly Sammy scared of a flower.
Even a royal table can't do without chairs. Let's make them from air plasticine.
Doesn't even look like it. Bite the mozzarella. Okay, you win this round, Sue. Look, I bet you've never seen a ladder like this. I made it myself. Be careful though, don't ruin it. Oh, it's so pretty.
And that's it. We're done.
Yay! Come closer to your screens and enjoy.
What a place! Let me check it out! What?
Gotcha! Phew, that was close. Peach, it's slippery over there. Could you be more careful? Hello? What is wrong with her?
I was wrong, Sammy. This mustache really suits you.
Thanks, I guess. What? What do you want from me?
Oh, Sammy.
Stop right there.
Sammy.
Here, take it back. I don't need any mustache. Just stop it already.
Sammy, come back.
Here we go again. Friends, thank you for being with us today. Give us a thumbs
Don't
up.
forget to subscribe and stuff. And bye.
Wait, come back. You can be my Mario.
Bye-bye, everyone.